Hey, are you interested in what is GCP Dataflow? Well, this GCP service is a game changer in how we process the data. Join us as we dive deep into its capabilities and how it can be a part of your digital strategy. Google Cloud Dataflow is a fully managed service designed to simplify the process of data transformations and enriching data in stream and batch modes. It is built on Apache Beam, an open-source unified programming model, which allows developers to execute data processing tasks that are both efficient and scalable. Dataflow automates the provisioning and management of resources, enabling developers to focus on designing and implementing their processing logic without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Dataflow works by reading large amounts of data from various sources, processing it, and then outputting the results to data storage systems. It dynamically manages resource allocation to optimize processing tasks. Developers use Apache Beam SDKs to create pipelines that define how data should be read, transformed, and written. These pipelines are then executed in the Dataflow service, which scales resources up or down based on the workload, ensuring efficient processing regardless of data volume. Did you know that questions about GCP Dataflow are some of the most common during certifications? If you want to test your knowledge before taking the exam, we have great news for you. Our experts have prepared premium practice tests so you can boost your cloud skills. Check the links in the description. Key elements of Dataflow include P collections, represents a collection of data which can be either bounded or unbounded. Transforms, operations applied to P collections to convert or manipulate data, such as pardo, group by key, and window. Pipelines, encapsulates the entire sequence of steps from reading input data, applying transforms, to writing output data. Runners, executes a pipeline on a specific environment, either on Dataflow service or other Apache Beam supported environments like Apache Flink. Common use cases for Dataflow include event-driven processing, handling real-time data from IoT devices or user interactions. Log analytics, aggregating and analyzing log data from various systems to understand usage patterns or system performance. Data integration, combining data from multiple sources to create a unified view of information. Machine learning, preparing data for machine learning models by performing tasks like feature extraction. There are two primary types of Dataflow jobs. Streaming jobs, for processing unbounded data in real time. These jobs are continuously running and react to new data as it arrives. Batch jobs, for processing a finite set of data where the input size is known in advance. These jobs run to completion once the data is fully processed. Dataflow's pricing is based on the resources consumed during job execution, including compute engine resources and additional charges for streaming data storage and data processing. Prices vary depending on the region and specific resource types used, such as memory and CPU. Google Cloud provides a pricing calculator to estimate costs based on expected usage. Dataflow SQL allows users to develop and run Apache Beam pipelines using familiar SQL syntax. This feature enables SQL-savvy users to access the power of stream and batch data processing without needing to write complex Java or Python code. To streamline development and provide reusable patterns, Dataflow offers templates. These pre-built pipeline patterns allow users to quickly start processing data with common pipeline configurations. Users can also create and store their own custom templates, which is helpful for standardizing data processing jobs across multiple teams or projects. Google Cloud Dataflow is a versatile and powerful service that addresses a wide array of data processing needs through both batch and stream processing capabilities. It is built on the robust Apache Beam model and supports complex data operations, scalable infrastructure, and integrates deeply with other GCP services. Whether it's real-time data processing or integrating large datasets, Dataflow provides a comprehensive, managed solution that lets developers focus more on the data and less on the process. Thank you guys. Subscribe and follow us.